Hello and welcome to the video. Today we are going to install and set up FC United Football and Sports WordPress theme. It is clean and responsive theme specifically designed for football club or any kind of sports website can be designed using this theme. This theme comes with multiple pre-built demos and more to come. Key features of this theme are compatible with WordPress plugin, which includes league tables, matches and results, color profiles with the player list, and automated league standing with the club logo. This theme comes with pre-built layout, so you can choose any layout and customize it according to your needs. In the backend you have an option to change the color, fonts and various other settings available. Also you can choose a skin as a white or the black. Popular plugin support is added in this theme like Elementor Page Builder, Revolution Slider, Essential Grid and WPML, MailChimp, and it is WooCommerce ready. Also events calendar and social media integrations are added in this theme that makes it very super fast and SEO optimized. Let's check out the theme demos for this theme. So this theme comes with 11 premium pre-made designs including football club, football league, football news, football school, football sports club, football shop, and 2 new demos are included that are basketball club and the home golf. Let's check out the main demo of FC United theme. Okay, so now let's move to the theme installation process. Log into your WordPress website backend and go to the appearance, click themes, click add new button, click upload themes button, and now click the choose file. A pop-up window is open up and you need to choose the theme file you have downloaded from ThemeForest. Click open. After that, click the install now button and the theme upload process will be started. It take a minute or two. After successfully theme installation, now you have to activate this theme. Click on the activate button. After activating the theme, we have to install the required plugins for this theme. First of all, we need to install ThemeRex add-ons and the other recommended plugins for this theme. So let's scroll down and click the install button. It takes bit time to complete the installation process. Click the activate button and it will take you to the welcome screen where we can activate our theme and the support for theme. In this form we have to input the username, email address and purchase code. You can find the purchase code from Theme Forest account. After activating your theme, click on Start Setup button. Choose preferred skin type. Each skin have combination of colors and required plugins. Also, you can customize skin options individually. Once you choose the skin, you can move to Required Plugins tab by clicking the Skip button. In Plugins tab, make sure all required plugins are selected and click Install and Activate Plugins button. This process takes a bit time. After that, we will import the demo content. In this tab, we choose Full Import. A warning message says Full Import process removes old data from website. Click Start Import button. We need to wait to complete the import process. After demo data import process, it will take us to the last step, which is quick setup, where you can customize color settings, logo settings, layout settings and various other settings. If you made any change, click Save Options button. Otherwise, you can click the Finish button. Now we are done with the theme setup and demo import process. Let's view the front end of our website. Okay, so we got 404 error, which means we have to set our home page in WordPress reading settings page. Go to WP admin area and click settings, readings and choose home page and the blog page. Click Save Changes. Let's view the front end. Okay, now all good. I hope you find this video helpful. If so, please subscribe our channel and press the bell icon. We'll bring you more videos. If you have any question, feel free to ask in comments below or visit our website mzcreativestudio.com. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.